Welcome to Kingston Jetty. Today I'm doing a very different video. We're going fishing. Yes, I got the export with me, Philip Odwin Fishing on YouTube. Check out his channel. So let's go. So you're at the mouth of the Demerara River, one of the three main rivers in Guyana, and these guys they're dredging the mouth of the river here. Big operation. So in the future we'll get, much bigger vessels or ship vessels coming in to the Demerara River. So a very windy afternoon here on the jetty. Yeah, man. This will learn if we catch fish there. So we got the export Arjoon giving us a good introduction.
So Leon Chris the baby now. Let me hope you get a fish on the line there now.
Yeah. Force catch bite. Force catch is a hard head. Yeah, too hard. Huh? Danny Special. Gotta take off this hard head. Nah. Guess what? Force catch. Small one. This is what they call the hard head. It's one of their bottom feeders. And yeah, good start to the Leon Moore fishing adventure. This one is too small, so we're gonna throw this one back. Fish on, fish on. What we got there, by another hardhead? Ah. Fish on, fish on. Woo. Look like a little karass, by, huh? Danny? The fishing count is on, by. This is fish number 2. Fish number 2, by. Thanks to you, man. Really appreciate it for helping me out with the rod, man. Really up?
Oh, Jesus.
Put your hand.
My first bite. My first catch.
Lovely.
Arjoon, my first catch. My first catch.
That's what kind of sweet man you catch here, girl? Hey.
I thought that you was the sweet one. Nice catch.
Catch, get throw back.
Sweet boy.
Bye? You know what I'm gonna say bye, but she can't catch another sweet man.
Exactly.
She gotta forget one man, not a sweet man. Good. They gotta give this fish another name. Fish on the line. Grass on the line.
Grass on the line.
Grass on the line.
False alarm, false alarm. Pro part
Watch fish pro par 3 shine out. Yeah, watch she good. Very good. So the tide change. It's now falling again. So now we're at the tip of the jetty. We're throwing that direction. So sort of go with the tide. Fish on the line, bye. Fish on the line. Fish.
One more sweet man.
What?
3-3.
This is.
Aquarica Force. So Leon took the trophy from ARD, right? For catching hardhead.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you got curry this afternoon, right?
I think, bye. It's a nice curry, bye.
Curry there, boy. Yeah, some masala, curry powder. I think life can't get better than that, boy. So my man Leon strikes there, boy.
And a christening. Watch for a christening.
You're christening your brand new ugly stick there, boy.
Yeah, bye.
Nice, nice. The first time you're fishing with it?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. That's 4 fish you got so far.
Yeah, 4.
Alright, try again. You gotta rebait the hook there.
Yeah.
You don't get a snap at us now, don't you worry, you get a snap. Just hang in there.
I hope I get it.
Yeah, and who get a snapper first? Gonna get a case of beer tonight.
What?
A case of beer.
Good.
That's a prize if you get a snapper.
That case barely on.
Good, good. Yeah, walk.
just finished fishing on the jetty, and now we're taking a stroll on the seawall. We're going to meet up some fans. They actually just met with me on the jetty, and we're going to say hello. So beautiful. Got my man Danny.
In the comment section commented on that first line that we did.
Yeah.
It totaled 1,000.
Yeah.
And we called every single one of those persons. Alright, well, you
So,
can have a few today.
got a couple of thousand.
I'm not saying that
Awesome,
there's
awesome
on
fans.
occasion.
Thank you so
But
much.
I know
you
contacted
the
them.
channel.
And
Definitely
a lot of people we
see a
had
lot
to
more
invite to
videos
come in.
coming out.
Yeah. Update their
So a lot of people do have a lot of questions here. So
happened. Something very unfortunate happened a few weeks ago. A man was shot and killed. And
I'm still getting a good color bite. Look at this bike. Cheers. The sun going down. Beautiful sunset. And watch. You got wife here, sir. We celebrating, you know. And you got the man A-R-D at the back.
Here, let's sing a tune. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the sunset go away. All right.
Nice. How can life get better than this?
Life can't. Cheers, man. Cheers to life itself.
Cheers.